Mobeen, how about at Servicenow? Give us an example of one program you'd like to highlight that you all are working on to help this community.
Sure, I'll mention a couple. I'll start off with one that immediately comes to mind, which is some work that we did with Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS. And so we did some work, started early this year, within 3 months. And the focus of this work was really about modernizing the employee experience within the organization. So we worked with them to design an employee portal called CMS Connect. It's powered by ServiceNow. And the employee portal is really a one-stop shop for the agency. It's front and center. It is facilitating a number of things like employee return back to work. It takes advantage of a number of core features within the platform. So, just being able to enable conversational services. I know there was some discussion earlier about things like machine learning and natural language understanding, and so it takes advantage of all of that. A knowledge base, so if users need to find information, request-based workflows, searching for information, even dashboarding and analytics. It's been a really critical and pivotal piece of the overall modernized employee experience within the agency. Another program I'll mention quickly also within CMS was just being able to help them when the pandemic kicked off with the 1135 waiver program. And so you think about just the 1135 waivers in general and the way in which they allow beneficiaries and providers to waive various administrative requirements to increase access to medical services during national emergencies. That was obviously a really big thing during COVID. And so being able to facilitate that reimbursement during the emergency, even if providers were unable to comply with certain requirements that would be required under normal circumstances, we were able to provide an interface that those providers and others could use to submit those waiver claims and to help broker and shepherd and orchestrate that entire process end to end. So just a couple of stories there that come to mind.
Sure.